Welcome back to Car Compass, the channel where engineering truth carries more power than marketing noise, where mechanical reasoning holds more value than shallow influencer hype, where design logic matters more than surface-level trend chasing. Today we are taking a complete deep real-world mechanical, structural, functional, psychological, macro-buyer behavioral analysis on a vehicle that sits inside one of the most commercially strategic segments for Toyota worldwide. This is the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. This vehicle did not become popular because of hype. It became popular because it fits inside the logic center of global middle-class buyer psychology, where durability expectation, reliability expectation, low operational stress expectation, ownership longevity expectation, real-world practicality, non-dramatic design risk, usable packaging, predictable cost of parts, predictable engineering behavior, and functional utility take priority in the long-term cycle. The interesting part about Corolla Cross is not the emotional element. The interesting part is the strategic segment positioning. Toyota knows that most people who will buy this are not looking for maximum horsepower. They are not looking for extreme luxury. They are not looking for rare exotic bragging points. They want a car that perfectly balances day-to-day utility, family capacity, drive comfort, efficiency, reliability, confidence, low probability of mechanical drama, ease of parking, global spare part presence, strong resale retention, and predictable long-term support infrastructure. Corolla Cross satisfies each of these through engineering direction rather than marketing theater. Let's begin by breaking down the exterior starting from the front. The front design is not aggressive for attention-grabbing impact. It is balanced for global urban acceptability. The grille structure uses clean geometric form based on practical airflow channel requirement rather than dramatic oversized grille signature. The headlamp assemblies maintain sharpness but avoid extreme complication because complicated shapes usually increase manufacturing cost and increase probability of future fogging issues. The bumper design is functional simple, which helps cost efficiency during damage repairs and small collisions, which are extremely common in urban environments worldwide. Toyota understands that front design must be resilient, must be cost manageable, must be aerodynamically logical. This front is not trying to create a social media viral impression. It is trying to deliver practical value. Moving to the side profile, here you see why compact crossovers became dominant. The height difference versus a sedan offers improved visibility for the driver, which reduces driver fatigue during long multi-hour drives, especially in mixed traffic patterns. The wheel arches are shaped to accept multiple rim diameter variations depending on trim levels. The side glass shape is proportioned to maintain relatively low beltline for confidence during parking in tight spaces. The roof line is mildly descending but avoids coupe fantasy mistake because coupe fantasy reduces rear headroom. Corolla Cross side stays truly SUV functional rather than trying to look like a fake pseudo-coupe. This makes the car a rational purchase decision rather than emotional styling gamble. Rear section continues the clean structured philosophy. Taillights are horizontally aligned, which visually increases stance width and also increases nighttime identification pattern clarity from distance. This enhances safety psychology for drivers following from rear. Tailgate shape is squared for maximum cargo load usability. Toyota avoids extreme rear sculpture complexity because that usually increases repair cost after minor rear impacts. Lower rear bumper structure is placed slightly elevated, which reduces potential expensive damage during low-speed urban reverse parking mistakes. This is design based on ownership reality, not marketing fantasy. Interior execution is Toyota philosophy continuation. This interior is not built for luxury bragging. It is built for no-nonsense long-term usage stability. Layout is simple, clean, predictable. Switchgear positioning follows Toyota global ergonomic pattern logic, meaning if you have used prior Toyota models, operating this vehicle will not require adaptation time. Feels familiar immediately. Materials aim durability priority rather than fragile premium fake softness that visually looks nice but wears fast. The seats focus spine support geometry which helps reduce fatigue. Instrument cluster clarity remains high. Toyota improves the software UX slightly this generation for smoother lag-free response during navigation switching. Air vents remain simple shaped for easy cleaning because dust cleaning difficulty is an actual real-world pain point for long-term owners. This is the type of interior design that understands normal daily life rather than marketing photoshoot life. Performance discussion is not about speed bragging. This car is meant to maintain calm predictable driving behavior. Global powertrain options vary depending on market, but primary focus is efficiency reliability hybrid solution. The hybrid system provides excellent urban stop-go efficiency curve, generates linear predictable response which is extremely valuable in crowded environments where constant throttle modulation is necessary. Corolla Cross chassis tuning focuses on comfort stability rather than aggressive cornering sport feeling. Steering is calibrated for light predictable daily maneuvering which is perfect for urban driving, family work travel, mixed city highway route patterns. Braking behavior is balanced progressive, not overly sharp which avoids jerkiness for family passengers. Suspension components are engineered to accept poor road frequency absorption without transferring harsh vibration into cabin structure. This makes long-term ownership extremely pleasant for developing market countries where road quality is inconsistent. Price structure strategy is extremely important in Corolla Cross. Toyota strategically positions this vehicle inside the financially reachable zone of upper middle mass market buyers rather than premium category, which means pricing must remain within psychologically acceptable range for global mainstream family buyers. Toyota knows that Corolla Cross customers typically think long-term TCO equations rather than one-time purchase impulse. Purchase price, maintenance cost, part availability, fuel consumption stability, insurance cost, resale strength all combine into complete logical value formula. When all these variables are balanced effectively, overall lifetime cost becomes significantly lower than many rival compact crossovers which often rely on marketing performance hype instead of structural long-term value engineering. Ultra conclusion analysis. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross remains one of the strongest rational purchase decisions for global mass market buyers seeking stress-free long-term vehicle ownership. This is not a car made to show off social media clout. This is a car built for real humans who actually live real lifestyles where durability, practicality, reliability, efficiency, low operational stress and predictable usage reality matter more than bragging rights. Corolla Cross represents engineering balance, not extreme performance, not extreme styling, not extreme luxury. It sits inside the rational optimum zone where most real buyers actually exist. Toyota continues this formula because this formula is proven for decades. Car Compass always respects engineering that respects real world. Corolla Cross is exactly that category.